In this demonstration, let's have a look at the different elements that together works as one system. The two basic parts of the computer system are hardware and software. These two parts work in complete synchronization and are logically related to each other. Now, for instance, let us consider a lock to be the hardware and software as the key. If either of the two is missing, the other part becomes useless. Hardware. In computer's language, hardware refers to the various physical devices or components used to make the computer system. Next, software. We know that the hardware refers to the machinery part. But think, how do these machine parts work? Well, definitely they do not work on their own. These parts need to be instructed on exactly what they have to perform. Now, for instance, a human body is useless without brain, as the brain is the controlling unit which instructs the body to perform tasks. Similarly, the software provides intelligence to the hardware components. Data representation. Data is usually a combination of characters, numbers, and special characters. Computer represents data in a digital form. That is, it reads everything, even the text, numerically. The physical devices used to store data in computers are two-state. For instance, a bulb is a two-state device. If we push the light switch, then it can be either on or off. In the same way, the computer uses just two digits, 0 and 1, to perform its operation and store data. Continuing with the same example, the light switch's condition off represents or is equivalent to the 0 digit, whereas on condition would mean 1. Since the computer uses only two symbols to represent data, these zeros and ones are called as binary digits, and thus the computer is said to use a binary number system. Measuring units. Bytes are used to measure the amount of data that can be stored. In other words, it is the space required to represent a single character, a letter, number, or even a space. We are already aware of different measuring units. Similarly, the size of computer memory available is measured in following units. Bit equals to a binary digit 0 or 1. 1 byte equals to 8 bits or 1 character. 1 kilobyte equals to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte equals to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes, and a terabyte.